Just press the little button with the red circle on it.
Okay, I think it's recording.
You can see the whole thing?
For the most part.
It's recording?
Yeah.
Okay. So we test fit this floor and we had some issues with alignment. So we're trying to get things lined up so that we could take this out and glass on the side of the new coring. Also, we need to get the next bulkhead in, and this is very much in the way.
Cut. Well, Nathaniel's still in China, enjoying his vacation, his month-long getaway. Lucky him. While we stuck here still working. Anyway, before he went away, we got some good footage of us prepping this midsection to be reinstalled, and so we're gonna play some of that footage for you now. Enjoy it. Also want to wish you all a happy and a prosperous new year, and God bless. Alright, this is the middle floor section that we've been working on. It's been sitting out in the elements for the better part of 2 years, and the rain kind of got to this side of the coring for the floor. So Tiny was working on it, he pulled it out, sanded it down. Now I'm getting ready to cut out a new wood core so we could bond it and glass it back in. What you gonna do? The work just keeps piling on. I think I'm gonna need some help. I'll do. That'll do. Good to me. Okay, so there it is. Just a little proud of this edge. A little proud going straight down. A little proud here. And that's the seam. That's the seam where we're gonna bond fiberglass to fiberglass. So yeah, I'll let Tony finish it up from here. He knows how he wants it to work. Okay, so we did some fill work here. Filling all the voids and all the low spots. Put a soap coat on the wood core. Now we're getting ready to bond it. It's still nice and tacky. And the layer pressure. This we wipe down good with some lacquer thinner. Gonna skim it with some thickened resin. And screw it down and bond it good. Mark the wood. Where it can register the line of the screw hole. So I didn't mark the wood, but it should be fine. Also, we didn't cut that little piece off the edge yet. I guess that's fine. There you go, a whole bunch of screws in there. I guarantee no voids. So once this thickened stuff sets up, we could back those out, but we don't want it to fully cure because then the screws will get stuck in there and we don't want that. Hey, so metal section in, not permanently. Just a test fit, a dry fit, for two reasons. One, we want to see if the new coring on this side will have to be trimmed, because 3/8 marine plywood isn't available in these here parts, so we had to get 1/2 inch. So we wanted to see if we could get away without skimming off some of the plywood. So as you can see here, she's a little proud. So I don't think we're gonna get away with it. We're gonna have to get the planer and plane off a layer of this 1/2 inch plywood. Secondly, we need to mark the location of the bulkhead we're building, which sits right under this portion of the floor. And we want to get it, if possible, as far under here as possible without interfering with these structural supports. Yeah, because we want to maximize as much of this space as possible for our new fuel tank. Also, we've noticed from being out in the elements and the sun and being supported on blocks, we got a little bit of warping here. You can see it bows in and up, and it also takes a little angle that way. This is the worst side. This side, not so bad. So that's something we're gonna have to deal with.